Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Soumya Suresh, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon for new updates. I know it's been so long since I've posted something on the channel. I'm really sorry. It's almost been a month since I shot something for YouTube. I was kind of held up with a lot of things. I had my dad come home, my sister left for school, I turned 20 last month, and I just wanted to just spend time with them and not vlog, something like that. So it was like a break to me from YouTube, but I promise to be regular from today. I will put out more videos and more content for you guys, and I'll also be shooting more dance covers soon. And I might leave back to Delhi again, but this time it's going to be different. I'll be vlogging, like regularly vlogging mostly. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because YouTube analytics says most of my viewers are not my subscribers. So please take a moment and subscribe. And also, if you really want to talk to me or tell me any kind of suggestions regarding the videos, you can do it on my Instagram account. I'm available over there. You can text me up and you can contact me over there. So yeah, that was that. Now about today's video, I am seriously very excited for this one, because it's been my kind of dream even before I started a channel, because starting a channel was a quick decision. But even before that, even before I went to Delhi, I used to see all these videos on this particular thing. I wanted to go there and I also wanted to shoot. So it is my favorite haul video. It's a Sarojini Nagar haul video. I didn't take up the Sarojini challenge because I don't know, I just didn't want to do the challenge right now in this situation. So yeah, this is my most favorite places to shop in Delhi, because the clothes are really not very expensive. They're of lesser amount, or they're cheaper compared to other clothes. The quality is very good. They have new trends, they have fashionable outfits, they have everything from footwear, bags, dresses, jeans, shorts and everything. They have everything over there, be it Indian or Western. So yeah, I love going to Sarojini, and if you're really lucky, if you end up there on some days, you might even get stuffs for less than 50 rupees. So Kochu and I went to Sarojini on December 24th. We were there. I'm so sorry that I could not post this earlier. I couldn't continue the video. I wanted to do it in Delhi, but I was so held up busy packing to leave and stuff, so I couldn't shoot the rest of this. So I'll show you what I bought, and I'll also show you how much I paid for them. And yeah, most of these collections are a month old. So if you are somebody who lives in Delhi, and if you guys are going right now, you may not find these stuffs, but you may find even better stuffs over there. So yeah, before I show you the outfits, you can watch the clips from that day and come back.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, honestly.
So മാർക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ അകത്തുള്ള ഒരുപാട് വിഷ്വൽസ് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ലെസ്. സോ ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് ഷോ യു വാട്ട് എവർ വി ബോട്ട് അല്ലേ. അത് വാഷൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത്
ചെന്നിട്ട്
ഫുൾ സാനിറ്റൈസ് ചെയ്ത് കാണിച്ചു തരാം.
അപ്പോൾ റേറ്റ് ഒക്കെ കാണിച്ചു തരാം കേട്ടോ എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും.
അങ്ങനെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഷോപ്പിംഗ് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ബാക്കി ഇതിനകത്തുണ്ട്. സോ ബാക്കി വീട്ടിൽ ചെന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിച്ചു തരാം.
So we are tired, really we are tired, and we are going back. So
ബൈ. ബാക്കി മെട്രോ കാണാം.
Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden.
So yes, so I bought more of tops, t-shirts or shirt kind of stuffs, and I got 2 dresses. That's all that I bought this time. I usually like the last time I went to Sarojini, I got a lot of other stuffs too, but this time I limited myself to clothes and just clothes, not footwear and bags and stuff, because I had to come back and it'd be difficult for me to bring all of them here. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is a crop shirt which Kochu and I bought. We bought this for 100 rupees and it's a really nice shirt. I've not worn it yet, but it's a bit transparent, so you'll like need to wear something nude inside before you wear it. So yeah, this was the shirt. It has these flower kind of prints on top of it, and again it's white in color. White is my recent obsession. So yeah, that was that, and that was 100 rupees. Now most of you must have seen on my Instagram account the Christmas photos that Kochu and I had posted. We were so keen that we really wanted something different from the red dress thing that was going on Instagram. So we found this strap top which has deers and red and green and stuff on it. And yeah, so we bought this top. This was for 80 rupees. We bought 2 for both of us, and you might have seen the pictures already. Now another thing is the top I got for my sister, like both of us. Yeah, so it is a black color full sleeve off shoulder top, and I love it. It was for 100 rupees. This is the top. The material is really nice. Apart from the hands, they have a good lining inside, so you don't need to wear anything, and it is not transparent, so that is like a good job. So yeah, this was the black top. It was for 100 rupees, and I love the cloth, the material used, and the fitting and everything. It's so beautiful. You can pair it with a skirt, or you can go for jean or a baggy jean too. So yeah, this was that top. Now next is a top most of you must have again seen on my Instagram account as stories or something. It's a purple maroon probably. I'm not sure about the color. It has white prints on it too, and it's a strap top. I wore it with a denim jacket over here, but I'll be wearing it like this in Delhi. And yeah, so this is a very cute top. It has 2 to 3 layers of clothes on it. So when you wear it, you have 2 layers of clothes that's showing out, and it's very pretty. And I got this one for 100 rupees again. Now my favorite top from the entire shopping I did on that day is the next top, which is for 200 rupees, and it's in baby pink color. It's a crop top, and it's this one. So yeah, it's a full sleeve crop top. I love it. I love it. You can style it with baggy jeans or a skirt or a normal high-rise jeans. And the only thing with this is it is transparent, so you need to wear something nude that is something nude inside, so that just wear something nude inside. So yeah, don't wear any dark black color stuff because it will be visible. Go for something nude and you can wear this beautiful top like that. It was for 200 rupees. Another t-shirt kind of thing with a cap, with a like a hoodie t-shirt. It was this one. It's white in color, and you can use it for a normal lazy day. The only thing with this, it is transparent, so you need to wear something inside, and the material is not that great compared to all the other outfits that I've shown you today. This one was for 100 rupees. No, this one was for 50 rupees. Yeah, this is this. Now, I told you in the beginning, I bought 2 dresses from Sarojini. One is my favorite. I am waiting to wear it. I have not worn it yet. Now, yeah, when you shop from Sarojini, please make sure that if you go for white clothes, don't make the mistake I did. I got this white dress. I did not see the stains on it. I did not check. I got this dress for 50 rupees. I really love it because it is backless and it has this knot kind of thing that you can tie, but the only thing is there are dust or dirt stains. Probably, I think I haven't washed this outfit yet, so because this was kept somewhere else and I couldn't find it for like 2 months. I just found it for this video right now. So yeah, just make sure that you go through the dresses before you purchase them. Look for stains, stitches, extra like wrong stitches, or any problem with the fabric and stuff when you get stuff from Sarojini, because that might happen, like mostly. So yeah, this is the white dress. It's very simple. It has this kind of design over here, over the hip kind of region, and it has this kind of detailing in the end. I will post a photo wearing this, and it's backless kind of, and yeah, it has these 2 stains that will tie the knot. Even if you tie the knot, this region will be completely open. I got this dress for 50 rupees, guys. And yeah, now the last outfit that I'm going to show you is my most favorite, and I've worn it already like 3 times. It's a strap dress in 3 colors. Like it has this line pattern as design. This is the dress, and the top portion of it is really nice. It fits perfectly towards your chest and the other part, and the bottom part, it's a bit more fluffy and stuff, and it has all over button detailing that has been given. So yeah, this was the last outfit. I got this for 300 rupees. And yeah, so when you go for dresses like this, make sure that they fit you, because I had already gotten another dress that was a bit more expensive compared to the Sarojini rate. It was really expensive and I couldn't wear it because it was oversized for me. So yeah, that's all for today. I had clothes. I still have clothes which I bought from Sarojini last year and stuff, but I'm not going to show it to you right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do send in your suggestions to my Instagram account. You can talk to me there, and I'd be really happy if you give me suggestions on how I can improve. And I'm really sorry for not being regular, but I'll try my best to do. And thank you so much. Bye bye.